I'm David. I work at the Disneyland Resort as a lifeguard. As lifeguards, it definitely is important for us to maintain the safety of all our guests, but it is also important for them to have fun while they're here as well. When I came into the role, I was told Disney Aspire is something that I can look towards to finish my degree. I've always been in and out of school. It was always very difficult to continue working and going to school at the same time. And when I saw Disney Aspire, I was like, okay, maybe I can kind of go back to school and do work at the same time. I looked into it and it definitely was exactly what I needed. A very busy schedule that I have here at working for Disney, but with Disney Aspire, they worked around my schedule and I was able to continue my degree that I always wanted to do. Disney definitely helped me out a lot by covering the tuition fees. I never had any issues kind of thinking about, oh, can I afford the books? Can I afford these classes? Disney was able to kind of help me out and be like, hey, don't worry about it. Just take whatever classes you need to get done and we'll cover the rest. I'm working on a degree on video game development. I do want to continue working for Disney, moving up from here, being a lifeguard to becoming a video game developer. If you want to apply here at Disney, I say do it. It's super fun and very enjoyable and very team-oriented, very exciting. And where else can you find a place where someone will pay for your education? It's priceless.